Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can add multiple photos as a single post on Instagram and add music to that post. It may be post or story. You can select multiple photos, 1 to 15 photos as a single post, and you can apply music to that particular post. I'll show you. Open Instagram, and on the home page you need to click on plus symbol at the bottom. That plus symbol is to select multiple photos. See here, this plus symbol. Yeah, this plus symbol. You can have the post or you can have the story, whatever is your choice. It's okay. For in this tutorial I'm showing on post. If you want as a story, you can have the story also. And now here you need to tap on this option, which is multiple selecting the pictures. See here, up to 15 I can select. For few of the apps, Instagram app versions, it will be select here. For few it will be this symbol, whatever it may be, everything is fine. Yeah, observe here, there is a option which is next. When you are done with selecting the photos what you want in the post, multiple photos, you can click on this next option. And at top, if you see, there is a music symbol here. Yeah, if you observe here, there is a music symbol at the top. You need to tap on this, and here you will have all the songs. And if you want to browse something, you can click on browse and search for the particular song or the music file. Here you can apply the search, whatever the song name or the music file name, what you know. Or if there is for you, you can have a for you recommendations, and if you can pick one from this, you can just tap on this. Yeah, and you need to click on this check mark for the selection as okay for this video, for this post. Yeah, once you're done with adding the music also, you can click on next. Yeah, it is getting prepared to upload. Yeah, I can click on share, and this gets shared to my Instagram feed as a post. The same applies for the story also. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.